Now we're going to install a BSR kit on one of our standard actuators. These are the elements you could find inside the BSR kit box. First of all, there's a battery pack, a PCB, 2 plastic bags. That's the first one with the spare parts inside, and the second one is not going to be used in this video as it's for assembling a BSR together with a DPS kit in an 85, model 85. We also have the traceability card and the mounting instruction sheet. In this case, we are going to mount the BSR kit on a J3c model H35. As it is in an on-off actuator with a 90-degree working angle, which arrives to the customer house in an open position. To start with, we are open the actuator. We should take the handle off by removing the screw. Then take the cover. Take the plastic key which was inside the hand wheel and be careful for not losing it, as this plastic key is for the cam's adjustment of the actuator, only if it's necessary. And we keep on disassembling the hand wheel by removing the screw which is inside. Take the hand wheel off. And now we are going to remove the 6 screws which are fixing the cover to the body. Now we open the cover. Now we are going to disconnect all the cables which are coming from the cover to the actuator. Mind that some spare parts which were inside the cover now are on the hand wheel shaft. They should be removed and put them back inside the cover. In this case, they are going inside the hole which is next to the dome. These are to preserve the IEC protection rating. Now we are going to put the BSR PCB. It has a white connector which has to be connected to the white socket on the main board. After that, the PCB would be fixed on the metallic plate by using a small screw inside the plastic bag. We connect the PCB and now we're going to fix it with a screw to the plate, actuator plate. Now we are going to put the battery pack inside the actuator. So first of all we have to remove the screw which is on the base plate. And we will put the battery pack on the boss and the hole. Now we are going to use the long screw which was inside the plastic bag and the washer, and we'll put the screw along the battery using the right hand side hole. Now we fix the screw. Mind that inside the battery there are 2 holes with a plastic tube inside each hole. This is only to make the battery, make an isolation between the battery and the washer and screw, which are metallic. So in order not to cross any of these batteries inside the battery. Now we're going to connect the battery pack to the BSR PCB. You should put the white connector of the cables inside the white socket in the PCB. Now we are going to take the power supply connector off, and we're going to connect the cables, the cover cables, to the actuator. Now we're going to check that the BSR kit is working properly. Now we're going to apply voltage to the actuator. Mind that the voltage we're applying is the suitable one. Then you see that the actuator, the LED, is red color and fixed. We take the power off. So the BSR kit starts working. See that the LED is flashing. Please note that this is one of our standard BSR kits. So when we have a power supply signal failure, the kit will drive the actuator to the closed position. So in case we would like to change this configuration, we should remove one jumper, which is on the main PCB. It is this one. Now we're going to close the actuator, going to put the cover on. Mind all the cables remain inside, so any of them would stand between the cover and the body. And we are going to fix both parts by using the 6 screw. Now we're going to put the handwheel back. Mind that the handwheel shaft has 3 flat sides and 1 round, the same as the handwheel, which has always also 3 flat sides and 1 round. We have to make them match and press the handwheel on the shaft. Now we just put the plastic key back and put it inside the handwheel, inside its hole, and fix the handwheel by using the screw. We'll put the handwheel cover on. Now we fix the screw. We're going to put the power on because we're going to check that the BSR is working with the power on. The actuator moves with the LED which is fixed. Now we take the power off, so the BSR starts to work. As you can see, the LED is flashing. That's it. The BSR is working without any problem. We put the power supply connector back. We'll fix it with the screw. And now we're going to put the BSR kit sticker on the actuator, which means that the actuator has a BSR kit inside. Mind that there are 2 options you can choose. You can choose between NC or NO. In this case, as is one of our standards, we're going to put a tick on NC. The next step is to fill in all the blanks of the traceability card. But before, just put a tick on NC as well and send it back to the manufacturer for the actuator's traceability. Just remember that inside the key box there are the written mounting instructions. You can read them whenever you need.